Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Blinkit app. Before going to the next step, please subscribe to our channel to get more updates on our new video. Now open the Blinkit app. If you don't have an account, you can watch the tutorials in our YouTube channel. Once you have opened, so this is how the homepage look. Blinkit is basically an grocery shopping app. You will get from fresh vegetables, fruits and till all your daily need essentials over here. So you can add everything and you can buy everything in your fingertips. If you don't have time to go for shopping and you need an amazing discounts as such, you will get everything over here. As you can see, you have stationery also at your fingertips, so you can get everything over here. For example, you can buy as per the categories. I'll go and see the vegetables. You can see you will get all types of vegetables, even flowers are available. You can buy seasonal fruits, seasonal vegetables, and you have organic. You can go and add your quantity over here. Go back and search for your ice creams or whatever sweet tooth you're looking for. You can read the description, quantity, everything over here. So this all or does not take like more than a one day for you to deliver. They'll deliver within like 15 minutes or 10 minutes when the product is available. Also, you can schedule your order. If you don't want your order to be delivered right away, you can schedule your order accordingly. So as you can see, I have added some of the items. I'll view. The store is closed as of now because it's almost time, but in the morning till 10 o'clock you will be having. You can see and process and you can pay. This is how to use your Blinkit app. You'll get lot of coupons also to add as a first time users. You can use it and you can go and explore. If you have any questions, please comment below. We will be happy to rectify it. Thank you.